Welcome to my channel. So what I have right here is this nice size pot roast that I'm gonna put together in my nice crock pot here. Make it happen on my crock pot. I have a tablespoon of squeezed ginger in there already, and I also have my vegetable oil over here getting nice and hot and ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brown each side of this nice roast. And then we're going to throw it in that crock pot and let it do its thing. We're going to season it all up, all that good stuff, you know what I mean? With nice herbs and spices, you hear me? So for right now, I'm going to hit it with some of this meat tenderizer. And once I put the pot roast in there, I'm going to let it fat down, you know what I mean? That good fat down. So I can get that nice flavor. Make that meat tender, you hear me? So, and I also have some garlic pepper seasoning. Well, so what I did last night, I poked holes all over the roast, both sides, you know what I mean? And I rinsed it real good, let it sit in some apple cider vinegar and water for like an hour. And I rinsed that off, and I put it in my refrigerator. So I want to give like each side a good minute or so. So what I did, I put it in my refrigerator with some more water, and I added some Worcestershire sauce, like 7 squirts of Worcestershire sauce, some apple cider vinegar, 4 cups full of apple cider vinegar, and some soy sauce, like a half a cup of soy sauce. And I just let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. So I say a good 24 hours in the refrigerator. Took it out this morning, rinsed it real good, all that good stuff, you know what I mean? And I dried it off with my towel, pat it down real good, and then I let the rest air dry on my cutting board. So now we just season it up, getting it nice and ready. We go on my nice crock pot right here. So what I want to do now is go ahead and put me like 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons of the minced garlic. What's this? 1/3 cup of soy sauce. 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. Well, and then we're gonna hit it with some of this let me see what we have here. Some bay leaf. You know what I mean? That's that good bay leaf right there. What we got? What else we have? We're gonna also sprinkle it with some of this rosemary. So okay, so that's that right there. So now we're gonna turn this bad boy. Woo! You know what I mean? We're gonna get each side a cool issue of that fry. You know what I mean? That's that fat side down right there. You know, that's how you want it to look right there. You know what I mean? So once I'm putting that crock pot, I'm gonna let it do its thing in that crock pot for like 6.5, 7 hours. And we're gonna put that bad boy on the plate. And we're gonna eat it up. You know what I mean? Woo! Hold on, let me turn this bad boy over and I'll be back. So here we go right here. I went on ahead and got each side, you know what I mean? So what I have right here is like under 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar. So and I also have a cup of chicken bouillon, that chicken flavor. So now it's time to go ahead and let us get roast. So here you go right here. I got each side, you know what I mean? Brown on each side. Boom. So I said fat side down. Boom. So we'll have this side down right here. Rub everything all around, you know what I mean? Get this nice issue. So now we're going to just season the top of it. That good chicken flavor. You know, I mean, it's optional, whatever seasoning you want to use. So that's how we looking right there. Boom. Made a little bit of mess on the side, but I'll clean it up. So what I have right here is 4 cups of water. Yeah, the whole 4 cups. Just like that there. Hit it with a little more meat tenderizer. So that's how we looking. You know what I mean? Just like that there. So throw me a little bit of bay leaves on top. Nice herb, you know what I mean? So we don't have to do nothing else. You know, it's gonna make its own little juice right along with that seasoning water and everything else I mix with it. It's gonna come together like cheddar. So we'll check on this in like, I say 2 hours from now. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in, put the top on there, let it do its thing for 2 hours. We'll come and check on it. You know what I mean? See where we at and let it do its thing. I say 6.5 to 7 hours. So we'll take it from there. So here we go right here. Instead of 2 hours, I put it on 3 hours. So it's 3 hours right here. You know what I mean? Boom. So what I'm finna do now, I'm finna turn this bad boy over. Boom. So that's how we looking right there. 3 hours. It's tender. It don't take nothing for the little fork to go through it. Oh, just like that there. I couldn't find my top, so what I did, I rigged it up with aluminum foil. I couldn't find my top. I don't know where my top at. It's somewhere around the house, so you know what I mean. So that's 3 hours right there. So I said we have like another, the way it feel, we have like another 3.5 hours, and it'll be nice and right. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? Like I said, I had to rig it up real quick. You know what I'm talking about? And I got my rice water over there for my hair and my jars. You know what I mean? Leave it in the comment section if you want to see how Boy grows hair. If I should I make a YouTube video, not on this channel though. You know what I mean? A new YouTube video about hair. You know what I mean? Cause your boy got some good long hair on his head of mine. You know what I'm talking about? Some good long hair. So leave it in the comment section if you want to see how baby growing his hair. But that's that good rice water right there. You see that rice in there? Just sitting back, just chilling in that water. Yes, sir. But we'll go ahead and give it another 3 hours. Probably like 3.5 hours. You know what I mean? And I'll be back. We go right here. We got 2 hours in. So altogether that's 5 hours, 30 minutes in. And that's how we looking. Just like that. You know what I mean? So that meat is ready. You know what I'm talking about? So what I'm finna do, I'm finna grab my cutting board and we'll cut it up together and I'll be back. So here we go right here. This roast, it been resting for 15 minutes. So now we gonna just see how tender it is. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Just go like this, press down on it. You know what I mean? That's how tender it is right there. Look at that. That's roast right there. Look. Just move it out the way. Look, spread it just like that there. You know what I mean? So that's the inside of my roast. I do this. You know what I'm talking about? I'm raw. You know what I mean? So that's how we doing it. So what I'm finna do now is go ahead and get these bad boys on the plate and we'll take it from there. Here we go right here. Your boy had to hit it with that Sriracha sauce. I couldn't leave the Sriracha sauce out. Man, for real. I love my Sriracha sauce. So there we go right there. That nice pot roast. Nice and tender. The right rice. And the vegetables. You know what I mean? And string beans. So I did it. Made it happen. And I got some of that, you know what I mean? Some of the juice from that roast right there. As you can see right there. Soaking that rice up. You know what I mean? So your boy did it. Made it happen. In a real way. Yes, sir. And like I said, I want to thank all my family and friends for supporting my channel, the share, the comments, man, the follows, everything, man. I appreciate y'all. Real talk. You know what I mean? So right now, 2017 watch hours. So I need 2,083 watch hours. And it'll be gravy. You know what I mean? Real talk. So I just want to share with family and friends what I got going on in my good kitchen. You know what I'm talking about? Your boy made it happen in a real way. I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.